When it comes to purchasing real estate to do your next fix and flip, just remember, you can always buy these properties at 60%, 70%, or even 80% of the after repair value, ARV, assuming that you know the scope of work that goes into the project, right? So obviously, if you're more of a rookie investor where you're buying these properties and rehabbing them, you might want to be on the lower scale. You might want to be closer to 65 or 60%. But if you're experienced and you have a crew that could come in, paint, spruce up, and clean up these properties, a lot of them you have some room, even after paying commissions, to buy them at 75 or 80% of after repair value. That way you can still stay fairly competitive in the marketplace. You can always find these deals everywhere. What I would do is talk to realtors. I would tell them, hey, bring me a deal, I'll get you paid, and I'll get you the listing. If you do that, for most realtors, you will probably start getting some phone calls. So just remember, you buy it right, you could get killed on renovation costs, so make sure you partner with somebody that's great, and then your business should be able to scale.